Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install NordVPN on Arch Linux in a simple step-by-step way. Before we start, you can use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. First, open your browser and search for NordVPN Network Manager GUI. You need to download the graphical user interface for Linux. Make sure to select the compatibility file for your system. After downloading, go to your home directory and paste the file there. Right-click on it and choose Extract. You can extract it to the home directory or use the Extract Here option if it appears. Once the file is extracted, open the folder, right-click inside it and choose Open Terminal here. In the terminal, type sudo.install.sh and press Enter. Enter your user password and press Enter again. The installer will set up all necessary dependencies. When prompted, type Y and press Enter. After installation, a shortcut will be created automatically. Open your Applications menu and search for NordVPN. Click the icon to launch it. Enter your account email and password. Then click Login. You will see a list of countries to connect to. You can turn on Auto Connect to start NordVPN automatically when your system starts. Enable randomizing MAC address for extra privacy. You can also choose the option to block internet if the VPN is not connected. To connect to a server, select a country, for example, the United States. You can also choose a dedicated IP if needed. Click Connect. Enter your sudo password when asked and press Enter. Once the connection is established, check your IP address to confirm it shows the country you selected. This means NordVPN is now working on your Arch Linux system. Remember, you can use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and start browsing safely and privately on Linux.